It's got the most monstrous goddamn intakes you ever did saw. I'm having a real hard time getting this thing to trim because it's just like, I'm going to go up and down and up and down. Alright, there we go. That'll do. Look at the fucking air intakes on this thing. Sucks that shit right in. You suck that Eastern European air in, you little bitch, and you like it. You suck it in and then you shit it out. Technology is weird, Mask. Thanks, Arish. So yeah, I'm doing the thing right now. We're space explorers, and I'm going to the moon. Don't worry, we'll have plenty of in-cockpit views for your immersions pretty soon, guys. Never fear. Oh boy, I'll actually do it for this because I really like the cockpit effect in the clouds. Plus, there's no point looking around externally. Yeah, smudge me, baby. Smear me. I'm actually kind of using my instruments right now. There we go. I'll use my, am I flying levelometer? I don't know the technical term for that, but I'm going to call it my am I flying levelometer. It's a bit wonky in here. This thing can just suck this air in, though, and it doesn't care. Water temperature, no problem. Water temperature is rain. Alright, I'm going to reset my trim. Okay. And then we'll fly manually from here, because we're getting to like 3,000. No handhold, no problem. Artificial horizon? No. It's my am I going straightiometer. Yeah, don't hold my hand up here, guys. This ain't no walk in the park with your girlfriend. This is flying my air-sucking Mustang. Real high. Look at the beauty of this roll, guys. Look at this. I'm barely even touching the joystick, and I'm doing a perfectly controlled, beautiful, whatever degree this is maneuver. I'm going to do mad Immelmans today, guys. You ready for this? Yo, you've never seen anybody Immelman the way I'm going to Immelman today. You know why British people are jealous of Americans? It's because during World War II they couldn't do Immelmans because if they did, they'd spill their tea. Fruity fuckers. Alright. Trimming out for another climb here. And now we can take a little bit to look around. What a beautiful day in the extremely high altitude. Oh shit, we're actually losing our temperatures freaking. Freaking. There's a PE2 somewhere down there, but it got exploded. Goodbye, PE2. You will be missed. Alright, so we're up at like 4,300. This sucker really starts to haul ass at like 7,000 meters, but it's unlikely that we're going to get there because these Russian planes like to... What the shit is that? How is this ever going to be useful to me? Come on, game! My water's the perfect temperature for a good cup of tea. Wow. That's disturbing. Yeah, we're actually not likely to find anybody up here, but that's sort of okay. Well, I guess the, no, that's not true. There are some... The I-85 will stay super low forever. It'll never come up here. There's no way we'll find an I-85 up here, but a Yak or a LA-7? Probably will. Get a little bit of A-trim on it. Come on. Stick with me, buddy. Let's just reset the trim and try it again. We got a little room to move here, and I can look around and make sure that we're not about to be exploded. Okay, we got there like OBS planes or whatever. Let's set it up for a... I'll set my trim for like a 5 degree. Shoop-de-whoop. 10%. It's good to know. Why is this camera even here? The acts are scary everywhere. Yeah. Yup. Oh, hey, there's a plane down there. What are you? That's an LA-7, pretty low. Okay. Are those guys all going? Oh, there's another one. Alright, let's go fight. Let's go fight. So yeah, this thing has a really nice throttle control on it. It's a bit weird. Oh god, there is an I-85 high up. Well, fine, you can stay high up. I lost sight of one of them. So the thing about the P-51 is that all you gotta remember is don't go over 750. The end. That LA-7 just killed one of ours. You will be fine as long as you don't go over 750 kilometers per hour. Everything will work out. I'm going 650 right now, and I can't see the ground. This is horrifying. Let's hit the fucking jets. This guy's trying to dive away from us. Alright, we're going to be right on that line. We're going to come out of this right on that 750 line. But I'm on you. Oh, I'm all up on you. Alright, yeah, our wings are really close to ripping off Seville. If I were to make any sudden movements right now, my wings would just fall off. But this guy probably knows I'm on him. Yeah, the gun sight on this, not so fancy. And I hate the cockpit view. Yes, I know, I won't hold your hand. Never fear, game. Alright, we're losing speed, but so is he. We got some buddies down there. Those are, like, anti-aircraft things. Oh boy, he wants to play the turning thing. I don't know if he knows I'm on him. Oh, don't... Yeah. Stay like that, stay like that. Alright, come on, baby. Patience, 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 patience. Ah, where did he go? Alright, I'm just gonna pull out of it because I lost him. Oh, there he is. I got him. Mr. Baggins! No. Let's do it. Let's play with him. What? Where'd he go? That little shit was supposed to go under me. He's crafty. So this thing can do flaps at like 500 trillion miles an hour. I know I haven't pulled the trigger yet, but that's okay. I had a chance. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. 'Cause Russians? Yeah, I know, I wasted all my energy, but that's life. There was a lot of fighting going on there, and I had a good shot on that guy. It never materialized. It's not the end of the world. Okay, here we go. You need cover? You're fine, dude. There's only one LA-7 about to kill you. Oh god, no. Alright. Immelman! What's the plan, LA? Uh-huh. He didn't think I'd do that, did he? And then he got killed. Cool, man. Oh, no, he didn't. Alright, I got a Spitfire below me. Joker's to the left. Here I am. It's that Baggins again. Filthy Bagginses. I'm gonna drop some shots on him from a kilometer away. I'm set for like half a kilometer range. Come on, buddy. Well, I don't know. For me, this is all super practicey because I'm still just sort of getting used to this joystick. Hey, I hit him. Somebody just shot at me, though, and I think that was my friend trying to hit this guy. Oh, I hope it was. Let's not mess around with this. He's flying awfully straight. I think he's dead. Yeah, he was dead. Okay, so was that someone shooting at me from my butt?